Children, I Rehana Kasli, representing Bright Star International School Billimora, would like to explain you the topic where to look from of maths subject. In maths textbook, page number 1, chapter 1, where to look from. Children, first I am read of this paragraph, so you listen properly. Our teacher told us to draw a picture of a car. Teacher say to the students to draw a picture of a car that give his homework. We all drew the car differently. So every student different. Every students draw whatever they are like that type of drew a car. Next day, when we saw our picture to each other, next day students saw whatever they are drew the car, that picture they saw to his friend. We were very excited. All students are very excited. But Anshul started laughing. They are laughing loudly. He was looking at Dheeraj's drawing of a car. Why they are laughing? Because he saw Dheeraj's car and he started laughing. Anshul said it looks like a small box kept in a bigger one. What's the Anshul? Your car which type of looking? Look like this a small box kept in a bigger one. Now we have to see this picture. First pictures that Dheeraj drew a car, and second picture Anshul drew a car. See this Anshul drawing a car that is looking properly. Now, which type of see this Dheeraj car? This type. So Anshul what say? Your car is look like a small box kept in a bigger one. Okay, both of them drew the picture of the same car, but drawing look different. This car looking of this type, and Dheeraj car looking of this type. Anshul car looking this type, and Dheeraj car looking of this type. Okay, so what answer give this Dheeraj? Dheeraj said he had looked at the car from the terrace. Do you think he, okay, what say Dheeraj? What say he had looked the car from the terrace. Dheeraj drove the car where they are. He is going upside of the building, 4th floor upside of the building, and that terrace too. He means very high up that terrace to look downside. So car which type of looking of this type? Only top side is looking. This down. This wheel and that all are not looking, because this is top side only that's looking, because that is very high to saw of the car, and Anshul is so very near to car, so that is this type of looking. This is the side view of the looking. Okay, so what say? Do you think his funny drawing is right? No. Both car is drawing is correct, because Anshul's drawing is nearby the car, and Dheeraj is drawing very high side to show a car. This is the side view, and this is the top view of the car. This is the side view of the car. This is very near, and Dheeraj look at very far. Now we can see in here is given table, this picture. This is the side view of the tables, and what this is the top view of the tables. This top view of this type, and this full side view of we can see. So looking of table of this type. Okay, now some picture are drawn here. Imagine how these things will look. It's in from the top. First picture is cooker. In cooker, if we see on a top side, so what we can see? We can see on a lid of the cooker, this type. A footwear. A footwear we can see on a top side, so that is look like of this type. A fruit we can see of the top side, so we can see only this peel of top side. And this drawer, table drawer, this table top side we can see of this type. In the top only we can see in this side only. Okay, now page number 2a. A cat is peeping into a classroom. What are doing cat? Cat is peeping in the classroom. So what can you help her find out where the teacher is? Now we can see this here. Cat is peeping in the classroom. Classroom, all students are sitting in here on a bench and teacher are sitting on a table. Nearby tables, look at here, this is their sitting is in here. Okay, now next, teacher are sitting front of the students. Teacher are sitting front of the students. Exercise B. So here we can do circle. Here we can do circle. Now exercise B. Here are some pictures. Final out from where you have to look to see the things this way. Okay, here we can see this staircase. Which side can we see in here? Staircase is the side view. One side view we can see, not full side of the staircase we can see of the side view of the staircase. Now we can see in here of the staircase we can see is the top view. Okay, we can see in here to this picture we can see of the staircase we can see is the top view. Now this is the table. Table which of the view? Table only upside we can see, so means top view. Now this chair which side? This is the side view. We can see of which of this view? Side view. In this chair we can see side view. This pencil we can see is the top view, top side, this type of word, so top view. In this bus we can see side to, means side view. This bus we can see is the side view. Now draw top view of a few things and ask your friend to guess what they are. Okay, here draw of the top view. Okay, now we draw this here pillow. One is Maths Magic books and other is box. Whatever you like that you pictures are draw to here, but only top view this is draw. Only for this pictures top view. Okay, so children, I will send this PDF file. So you have to write in your textbook. Whenever you got this textbook, that time you have to write off this page. Now here, this is your workbook, page number 5. Look at here first. Here has given 3 view, front view, side view and top view at the shape of the song below. Draw the missing view in empty space. Okay, first look at here. Here is given front view. This is the side view and this one is the top view. Now here 2 view has, we can see is the 2 view of this book. This is the top view. First page is so. Here is the side view of the book and front view we have to see. So this type is, look at that we will draw ourselves. Okay, now we have to see in a bus that we can see. Here is the front view. Okay, this bus now. Okay, this is the bus. We can see is the front view. Here this bus we can see is the side view and here is the upside only we can see, means this is the top view. Now we can see here, this is the car. We can see this is the side view. This side means same this type of two we on draw. You आपको यह खुद draw करना है, this type of the car side. And here also we can draw on self, means this is the upside, means this is the top view. Now Now we can see here, this is the, look at here, this is the front view, this is side, means this is the side view, and this top view. Here also we can see this table, that is the front view. This one is given, this the side view. Side view we have to see this two legs, and this one side is top view. Now next is the chair, that is also front view, this side view, and this is chair, this side only, means this is the top view. And here have this bed, that is the front view, this type of side view, and this is the top view. This is the side view of the cup, this is the front view, and this upside means top view of the cup. Now these tables we have to draw. If we have to draw the tables, so only we have to see of the legs. If the side view, we have to see the table of looking which type, this type, okay, only looking of this type, and this is the side of, okay. So this I will send PDF. Thank you children.